thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Natasha. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to be my next update for my Partners in Cream project pan. It's a group project pan that was created by Delyn and Steph, and the main purpose of the project pan is to focus on the cream products in your collection. I'll have the creator's information, more information about the project, and a form if you'd like to join. I'll have all of that in the description box. And I'm excited that I do have one product that I'm rolling out, which means I'll get to roll a new one in, and I have really good progress to share on my other products as well. Before I start, if you hear any random notes playing, someone far off in the distance is, I think, practicing an instrument, which great for them. I can't even tell what instrument it is, but I can still hear it, and I'm hoping it won't pick up and that you'll hear it too. But if you can hear it, just know that someone nearby is expressing themselves musically and trying to learn a new talent, which I applaud, I wholeheartedly encourage, and I'm jealous of. Anyway, let's move on to the actual stuff that you clicked on to watch, which is me talking about my progress on these products. I will start with the product that I am rolling out, and that is the SPF product from Too Faced. This is the Hangover Good to Go Skin Protecting SPF 25 Moisturizer, and I do like to keep an SPF product in this project at all times so that I am actively wearing sunscreen more often. Over the past month, I've used 3.15 grams to finish it, and I am going to roll in a new SPF, and the next oldest SPF that I have is actually not that old, which I'm glad, and this is the Paula's Choice Clear Ultralight Daily Hydrating Fluid. This is SPF 30 plus, and this one is starting at 71.54 grams. I've only used this once or twice just to kind of test out the formula. I do think it works really nicely under makeup, at least for the few times that I've used it, so I don't think it'll be a problem incorporating this into my routine. My goal is to finish this, but because it is brand new, I do think it'll take several months to hit that goal. And of course, once I finish it up, I'll roll a new SPF into its place. The next product is really close. It will definitely be done in my next update, and that's this Your Skin But Better CC Cream from IT Cosmetics. I'm in the shade Fair. As you can see from the photos, you can see through the packaging now. There is a clear window, and I do have to pump it a couple times in order to get one application worth of product, so I don't think that this has much longer to go, and I do feel that the airless pump in here has done a great job at getting everything out of the packaging. This one I think I will cut open to make sure I get everything out. I have used up one of these before, and maybe the airless pump wasn't as good in that other packaging, but whenever I cut it open there was still a lot of product left in there, so I'm gonna cut this one open once I get to a certain point just to make sure I am getting everything out of there. But these take forever to use up. Foundations are one of my slowest cream products that I pan, and I'm really glad that I will have a foundation empty, especially with one of my oldest foundations. I'm really glad I was able to use it up before it expired, and I will eventually roll a new foundation in its place once this is gone. And for this one, I've used 6.37 grams in the past month. Another product that I do think will be gone next month is this NYX Dark Circle Concealer. This is also in the shade Fair, and in the past month I've used up 0.19 grams, and if you can see from the photos, I have been scraping on the sides. There is not that much left. I do find that the formula has dried out a little bit, so I am glad to be finishing up or almost finished with it before the formula changed in that way. I am going to try really hard to finish it, and I don't think that's going to be a problem considering how much I use typically over a month's time. I do have another pot color corrector from Flower Beauty that I imagine I will roll in once the next one is done. I am really sad to see it go though. This is one of my favorite under eye color correctors, and it's discontinued. I have one more product that I'm making really great progress on, and I might be able to have done by next month. And then the last two products are slow going. They're kind of long-term products. So let's start with the lip gloss. I had finished up Charlotte Tilbury's Ebies and Nights lip gloss last month, and I rolled in this mini Marc Jacobs lip gloss. This is in the shade Pink Parade, and I'd only used it a handful of times, and I wasn't really sure how long it would take to start seeing progress because it did seem like the product stuck to the sides. But now you can definitely see some windowing in the packaging, and that makes me think that there's a chance this might be done by my next update if I do continue using it as often as I have now. Over the past month, I used 0.84 grams, and this is a mini, so I don't think it'll have a lot in there. And if I do end up finishing it next month or the month after that, I'll just bring in another lip gloss in my collection. My next oldest gloss is another mini Marc Jacobs, just in a different shade. Now for the two slow-going products. They're just products that tend to take longer to use up. And the first one is a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This is in the shade Live It Up. I only have a little nub left, and in the past month I've used 0.11 grams. If you can see, that is a really light pink shade, and on its own it is a little bit lighter than I tend to go for in a lipstick. And so what I've been doing is pairing it with this black cherry sheer slick lipstick from e.l.f. This one has a little bit of a deeper berry undertone, so I'll put a light layer of this on my lips, and then I'll put Live It Up on top. Live It Up is very creamy and moisturizing, and then mixing it with a slightly deeper color just creates like the perfect nude lipstick. I've been wearing it like that a lot over the past month, and that's probably how I'll continue to wear it moving forward. And I do say it in every update, but I wanted to say it one more time. Once the product is flush with the packaging, I'll take it out and put it in a separate container and use it as a cream blush. For the last one, this one I don't even know if I'll be able to have done by the end of the year, but it will be quite an accomplishment whenever I do finish it, and that is the Cocoa Kind My Light Rosé Skin Nourishing Highlighter. It's a highlighter stick. It's got a little bit of a rose gold tint to it. I use this kind of like an illuminating primer where I'll put it on my cheekbones and a little bit above my brow, kind of just in that section of my face, and a little bit on my nose. Sometimes I put it on before foundation, sometimes I forget and put it on after I put on foundation, and it just helps to add a really natural creamy glow. I like that this product isn't super slippery or oily feeling. It definitely is a stiffer formula, which I prefer in cream cheek products just because I don't like my face feeling sticky. In the past month, I've used 0.63 grams, so just over half a gram. It says that there is 17 grams in here, so I have a long way to go. So those are all the products I had to talk about. I had one rollout, which was awesome, and then I have 2 or 3 more products that I really think can be done by my next update, so I'll have an even more exciting update coming next month. I'm so excited to watch everybody's Partners in Cream update. I'm not sure if there's a playlist or not, but a lot of people are using the Partners in Cream 2022 hashtag. So if you search for that on YouTube, everybody's videos and updates will pop up that way. A lot of people are also participating only on Instagram. So if you visit that form, that Google document, Google Sheet, it'll have everybody's YouTube channel and Instagram linked there too. But in the meantime, that's everything I have. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!